Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mixed in Key. This powerful software analyzes your entire music collection, identifying the musical key, tempo, and energy level of each track. It's designed to help you create seamless, harmonically perfect DJ sets and exciting mashups. To begin, simply open the application and drag your desired audio files or folders directly into the main window. Mixed in Key will then automatically process your music, preparing it for your creative mixing endeavors. One of Mixed in Key's core features is the Camelot Wheel, a visual guide for harmonic mixing. Each musical key is assigned a number from 1 to 12, with a for minor and B for major. To mix harmonically, you can transition between tracks with the same number, or move one step clockwise or counterclockwise on the wheel. For example, a track in Ada can smoothly transition to 7A, 9A, or 8B, ensuring your mixes sound incredibly smooth. Beyond key detection, Mixed in Key also analyzes and assigns an energy level to each of your tracks, ranging from 1 to 10. This allows you to strategically plan your sets, building or reducing intensity to keep your audience engaged. Furthermore, the software intelligently detects up to 8 optimal cue points within each song. These cue points are automatically aligned to the beat grid, providing precise markers for intros, breakdowns, and drops, streamlining your mixing process. Mixed in Key seamlessly integrates with leading DJ software, enhancing your existing workflow. After analysis, you can export all the detected information, including key, BPM, and energy levels, directly into your music file's metadata. This data then appears in programs such as Serato DJ, Recordbox, and Tractor. Additionally, the automatically generated cue points can be exported, allowing you to instantly access them in your DJ software, saving you significant preparation time and ensuring consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.